I want to show you guys how to make the best pumpkin pie you will ever have. We're going to start with 2 cups of pumpkin puree. Get your second cup in there. 1 cup of heavy cream. 3/4 a cup of white sugar. 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. Couple cracks, about 1/8 teaspoon of some salt. About a teaspoon of vanilla. Then we can go ahead and give this a mix before we add our eggs. Then we can add in our 3 eggs. I like to add them in a separate container before I put them to the entire mix because I want to make sure we don't get any shells in. Then we're just going to mix them until they are fully incorporated. Then you want to take your pie crust that you went ahead and pre-baked and dump in all of your pumpkin pie filling. Now just note, it's not all gonna fit and you're gonna have a little bit left over depending on if you made your pie shell deep dish or not, and also depending the size. But don't throw this away. Save it. You can bake it with smaller crusts or you can mix it into your Thanksgiving breakfast pancakes and it's gonna be really good. I like to go ahead and smooth it because just like our sweet potato pie, the way it goes in is the way it's gonna come out. You wanna give it a little bit of shimmy shimmy, make sure you reach all of those corners, and she is good to go in the oven at 350 for 50 minutes. Then 50 minutes later, you are left with a beautiful, beautiful pie. This is it. As soon as it comes out of the oven, I have a rag underneath. Do not worry, I'm not burning my hand, but look at how beautiful. Nice and caramelized and golden. It's gorgeous. Add a little bit of whipped cream and you are good to go. And that is why